We've all heard the phrase, "This car is built like a tank." In India, Tata Motors has earned a legendary reputation for building rolling fortresses. The Tata Harrier scored a flawless 5 stars in NCAP tests. But across the world, there's one brand that literally invented the 3-point seatbelt and set the global benchmark for car safety. Volvo. Today, we put India's Titan face-to-face with Sweden's safety benchmark in an ultimate crash simulation. Frontal impact, side T-bones, whiplash, and a crushing 5-ton rock drop test. Can a 25 lakh rupees SUV actually defeat a 70 lakh safety legend? Or does tank-like strength have a fatal flaw? Test 1. Head-on collision. Both SUVs hurtle toward each other at 64 kilometers per hour. What happens when kinetic force hits these two chassis? The Tata Harrier is built on the OMEGARC platform, derived from Land Rover's D8 architecture. It uses advanced, high-strength steel. In a frontal hit, its crumple zones compress as designed, absorbing the energy and leaving the passenger cabin intact. So why does the Volvo XC60 take the edge? It comes down to military-grade metallurgy. 40% of the Volvo XC60's frame is press-hardened Boron steel, up to 4 times stronger than standard high-strength steel. While both passenger cells survive, the Volvo experiences almost zero A-pillar deformation. Now, for the extreme test. Test 2. The 5-ton rock drop. Imagine a 5,000-kilogram rock crashing directly onto the roof of both vehicles. Under a sudden 5-ton direct impact, the Harrier's heavy-duty pillars hold, but start to buckle under extreme strain, causing roof deformation into the cabin space. The Volvo XC60, however, was engineered specifically for extreme rollover protection. Because its roof cage uses dense boron steel along the entire roof rail, the cabin maintains structural integrity with drastically less deformation. But here is where most car buyers get it wrong. They think an unbreakable steel frame is all that matters. But if a frame is too rigid and doesn't flex properly, all that raw impact energy bypasses the steel and travels straight into human bones and organs. This is where Volvo reveals its hidden secret. In a side impact, Volvo's SIPS doesn't just block the force. It slides the front seat sideways, away from the impacting door. In a rear-end crash, Volvo's patented whip seats physically move backward to cradle your neck and spine, absorbing G-forces like a catcher's mitt. The Harrier protects you with sheer structural bulk, but Volvo protects you with active, biomechanical flex. So, what's the ultimate verdict? Tata Motors deserves immense respect. They brought world-class, 5-star crash safety to an accessible price point. The Harrier is truly an engineering triumph for its class. However, Volvo proves why it remains the global king. True safety isn't just about building an indestructible steel box. It's about combining ultra-strong materials like boron steel with flexible, biomechanical engineering that shields human life from raw kinetic force. Which SUV would you trust on the highway? Drop your thoughts below and subscribe for more deep-dive safety battles.